Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Alright guys, so I've had my iPhone X for 2 years now and I haven't really enjoyed using it. In fact, if you watch my iPhone X review, you know I said it's a good phone, but it has two main issues. One is that it tends to overheat a lot, and the second one is that there's a ghost on it. Now, I say there's a ghost on it because my iPhone X seems to have a mind on its own, and it seems to have somebody on it operating it. Like the screen moves on its own. Sometimes you tap app icons and they don't respond, or you'd be on YouTube watching a video and then it would skip to the next video. Or you could be playing Candy Crush and you want to swipe right and it would swipe left and you would lose a game that you could potentially have won. Or you could be on Facebook and you would be chatting, typing a message in a comment or a reply. The phone will just copy everything, select all, delete, and you'd have to start again. And it's super frustrating when you are typing like a very long comment or post. It's crazy. And these are just a few of the things I've observed with my iPhone, and it doesn't make using it nice at all because sometimes it switches apps on its own, closes apps that you've opened, and even attempts to uninstall apps. Like, it's crazy. And I'm sure if you are here, you are wondering if you are the only person who has experienced this on your iPhone. Well, the good news is you are not alone. We are all in this together. Apple on their website and their forums have acknowledged that it's the iPhone X which has an issue with ghost touching. In fact, they call it ghost touching. And they say that some of us may experience situations where your iPhone X might not respond to certain touches or might behave in certain ways even though it hasn't been touched. And according to them, it's a physical defect. It's not something which can be fixed with a software update. So I've had my iPhone X for 2 years and I've been battling with this. And if you're in America, good news, you can just send it to the nearest Apple Care and they will have it fixed for you. But imagine you are in Ghana or Nigeria or somewhere so remote, and sending it, even the cost of shipping might buy you a new phone. Then you are stuck with it. So if you're buying an iPhone X, it's a beautiful phone, has fast charging, has a notch, has an excellent AMOLED display, and I mean, it was a trendsetter and a pace setter when it comes to smartphone technology, especially the notch, though other phones have moved past the notch. Generally, it's a good phone, but if you're unlucky to have a version which has a ghost touch, then what you need to do is to send it to your nearest Apple Care Center and it will be fixed for you. Otherwise, you are stuck. This thing is not fixable by software. It's a hardware issue and you probably need to go and find a fix for it. Now, it's not only the iPhone X that I've used, which I've experienced this on. I've actually experienced the same thing on my iPad 3rd generation. And I stopped using that iPad also, and I can't even find where it is because of this same issue. So, I don't know if you've experienced this. Let me know in the comments below. If you found a fix for this, let me know in the comments below. And I would advise you, with the price at which you can buy an iPhone X, probably you should consider getting an iPhone 11. And you can click here to watch my review of the iPhone 11 versus the iPhone X. So now you can see footage of the iPhone messing around. Just watch and see how crazy it is. I mean, I don't expect this of Apple, especially for a device which costs over $1,000 at launch. This is preposterous. This is totally unacceptable. iPhones are supposed to be the best in their class, and see the way the screen is behaving. See how crazy this thing is. It's attempting to make calls. When I even want to close it, it still keeps attempting to call the same person. Like, it's crazy. This thing is scary, man. Maybe I need some pastor to come and exorcise this ghost out of my phone. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy. So let me know what you think. Would you buy an iPhone X or you're going to buy an iPhone 11? Whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this. You could share this video with somebody who uses an iPhone X and is having this issue, or share with anybody who wants to buy an iPhone X so that they don't buy the iPhone X, but they rather buy the iPhone 11, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone SE, or better still, an Android device. And now, if you're new to my channel, I do mobile app reviews, mobile phone reviews, and I bring to you the best, latest, affordable gadgets that can make your day. And I make my reviews entertaining and educational as well. So if you hit that subscribe button and you turn on all notifications, you're going to be receiving awesome content such as this. Thanks, Pepper.